In this video, I'll be replacing the rechargeable battery in this K750 Logitech solar keyboard. Check it out. All right, so you're gonna wanna flip the keyboard over, and this is the K750. The slot for the battery is right there. So you're not technically supposed to replace it. That's why it's pretty tricky to get this out. I'm going to be using a chisel. It's not very sharp, so hopefully this will just be able to pop this out without damaging anything. And I'm going to have to set the camera down here. But we're using this M230 battery. It looks like a watch battery, but it's rechargeable. Do not replace battery. I'm gonna do it anyway. So it slots right in there. I'm gonna go right back in there. Just like that. And we're gonna give it some time to charge up here with some sunlight. And you push this button and you're getting, this is the battery life over here. I'm getting the, let's see if I can get a better view here. This is the frowny face battery, which it was not lighting up at all before, so this guy just needs some sunlight. We'll be good to go. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and God bless.